Hi there. In today's demo, we're going to take a quick look at how Gearset can help teams to spend less time untangling XML and chasing false conflicts, and instead spend more time on shipping features with confidence. The problem with standard merge conflict handling is that Salesforce metadata is stored as XML, and Git isn't built to differentiate between genuine conflicts and those that aren't really conflicts at all. High traffic components such as profiles and layouts that are touched by several users, or reordered XML, are common examples of elements that trigger false conflicts when nothing has actually happened. Gearset employs semantic merge technology to understand Salesforce metadata at a structural level, dramatically reducing conflicts with transparency, ensuring that you're firmly kept in control at all times. Gearset approaches conflict resolution either by auto-resolving, ignoring, or flagging. For example, if two developers add fields to the same profile, Gearset's semantic merge resolution recognizes the independent additions and merges automatically. Or if the XML elements appear in a different order, Gearset knows the order doesn't matter and can proceed without flagging a conflict. As we can see here, Gearset has run a check for any conflicts and has given me the green tick, no conflicts here. However, in those circumstances where there is a genuine conflict, such as the same field being added to a layout in different positions, Gearset flags that this real conflict will cause a validation error and then will provide precise conflict resolution to prevent any downstream errors. In this example, two different developers have made changes to the same field. Of course, there can only be one true value, so Gearset has flagged that there is a conflict for us to resolve. Unlike tools that force you to resolve conflicts in external IDEs or command line, Gearset handles everything in one place within the Gearset UI, with full side-by-side visibility of the conflicted differences. You have the ability to precisely choose which sections to resolve between the conflicting branches, and once your resolution is made once, Gearset remembers your resolution and automatically suggests the same fix for any subsequent promotions. In this way, Gearset helps to streamline the conflict resolution process whilst maintaining visibility, control, and consistency across your entire release process. Thank you for watching this demo on how Gearset manages conflict resolution.